Welcome to 2642 Northeast Keats Drive. This home is 2184 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths on a 9148 square foot lot. Excellent parking off street in front of the detached 2-car garage. The exterior is in beautiful shape. Lots of shade trees at the end of a cul-de-sac. Awesome to be in this location without through traffic, and as cul-de-sacs go, it has exemplary parking. Many times you don't have a space like that for your guests, and this has really good parking in the driveway and in the cul-de-sac. Very central location within town, yet quiet and private. Now inside the front door, looking into the living room, have the natural gas fireplace. This is a tile floor made to look like barnwood, very durable, waterproof. Those are the stairs leading up to the second story, and you can see the brand new flooring there too. That's a bullnose laminate that leads up to the second floor. That's all new up there. I'll kind of detail and show that as I go through the space. Dining area has awesome natural lighting. You can see that brand new flooring and the cool bullnose. A lot of those laminate floor installations leave a lip, and these do not have that. Into the kitchen, lots of storage, lots of countertop space. These tiles are really large, so you have very few grout lines. New backsplash, garden window, looking back onto the little patio area. Lots of outlets. Gas range, the pantry, breakfast nook back here, looking back onto the yard. Utility room with washer dryer, great storage in there, water heaters right behind the door. That door leads to the garage and backyard. More storage here under the stairway. Linens closet to the right. The main floor full bathroom. Tub shower combo there. And the all-important main floor bedroom. If you have anybody that's in the home, living here or visiting, they can't go upstairs, you've got this bedroom with full bath right next to it. Very convenient. A must-have for any 2-story home. Just a fantastic main floor layout. Everything's in pristine condition. Turnkey and ready for you to move in. Now upstairs, you can see all that brand new laminate flooring. Upstairs linen closet into the primary. King bed with end tables, fits with comfort. Great natural lighting. The closet, and then into the office space with another closet or a workout area, maybe another living area. However you want to flex the space, there's lots of options. Into the primary bathroom with double vanity, tile countertops, tile floors, and this beautiful tub shower combination. Really nicely done. Lots of versatility there. the guest bedrooms here. It's a queen bed easily with end tables, lots of privacy. Second upstairs guest bedroom. Right now outfitted with 2 twins, but easily fits a queen as well. Paint and everything just in perfect condition. And the upstairs shared bath with tub shower combination. Tiled vanity, everything in perfect condition. This home is completely dialed, and the layout is really ideal for many different usage cases. Turnkey and ready to go. Now in the backyard, looking at the patio area between the house and the detached 2-car garage. There's a gate out to the front there. Those storage hooks are awesome for sups or kayaks. There's an area over here for cornhole or maybe a trampoline, playground equipment, fire pit area with the pavers. The grass is in beautiful shape. Privacy back here is second to none. You've got your garden area on the southern exposure, so it gets good light. But really awesome to have the hot tub right out the back. Doors into the house, patio, fire pit area. Just an absolutely gorgeous outdoor space. Shaded, private, and lots of ways that you could make use of it. Now inside the garage, it's full but an amazing space here. Lots of workbench space. Easily fits 2 full-size vehicles. Has the staircase that goes up into the attic for storage, and there is lots of storage there. Garage door opener, power outlets. Just an awesome space here for 2 vehicles or all your toys.